Hi, Travis. What are you doing?
I'm going in a boat.
What are you going to do in this boat?
We're going to sled down into the water.
Wow, I can't wait to see that. Well, guess what?
What?
I'm recording you.
Okay, Travis.
Okay, hurry up, boys. Hurry. She walks.
Hold on tight, Amber.
I got it.
Okay, let her go.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You made it! All right! They made it! I'm so glad. Tristy! Hi, Tristy. Say hi to Mommy. Jeez. Hi. All right, you did it. You got up on your own. Woo. You weeble wobble. Yay! Oh, out. Aw. Is that fun? Ooh, what's that? What's in there? Are you looking for gold? What is that? Hey, look at Mommy. You are... Oh no, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You're my big girl. I'm proud of you.